I tested Seller Assistant app and Helium 10 side by side. Let's see the difference and what's best for you. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so now we have Seller Assistant app, and there's a link in the description for the discount if you wanted to test it out, but it's great for wholesale and resellers. So if you're trying to wholesale and resell on Amazon, right, we can check out all of the tools. So the one is it's a price analyzer. So turn supplier price lists into deals with actionable reports, match products on Amazon. So this is another tool where you can kind of upload a price list, right? And here's a file example. They give you a little example file, and then it can help you find products on Amazon, right? Seller Spy. This is where you can spy on other sellers, what products they're selling, and you can download their ASIN list. Now, but here is where the tools really come in handy, okay? And this is the bulk restriction checker. So if I wanted to look and see, let's say Hello Kitty plush. Let's say I'm trying to sell a Hello Kitty, okay? I want to sell a Hello Kitty. I know Hello Kitty makes tons of money. This is like a big product. So I can copy the ASIN of, let's say, just this one, plug it in here, plug it in here. I'm just going to do, let's do 3. Okay, and I click upload. After I do this, it's going to automatically look in my Amazon account and see if I'm gated or ungated. If you're gated, it's going to look like this, and you have to submit like all these invoices just to sell the product. If you're ungated, you don't have to submit these. You're automatically approved and you can sell the products, right? So this is already done, and it's showing me that 2 are ungated and then 1 is gated. I can download this report, and here's an example of the report that I have right here. And you can see here's the ASIN. Allowed to sell, allowed to sell, allowed to sell, and which ones require approval. And I can just copy this link, plug it in, and then it'll take me to where I need to request approval. But what's crazier if I download the extension right here, the Seller Assistant and the IP Alert extension, then I can come into here and look up Hello Kitty plush, and you can see right here it's unlocked. There's a little block right here, and it's showing unlocked, unlocked. This one is locked. So this one I actually do need to request approval. If I want to request approval, I can click here, and it's going to automatically take me to that request approval button. The other ones that are unlocked, I'm good to go. I can literally just sell it. Click to sell this product. Let me just see. So I can click it, and I can be like, it's already pre-approved. I can sell it. So it's connected to my seller account. So I can quickly see what products I can resell and not resell. On top of that, it shows me if the seller is Amazon. So right here, this one, it's unlocked, but it says Amazon is selling it. So you don't want to compete directly against Amazon as the seller. So this one's not going to be a good one. But this one isn't. Amazon's not competing with it. There's no red flags. Everything looks good. So this is a great tool if you wanted to be a reseller. You can literally go through and be like, okay, sell, sell, sell. This one, again, you're competing with Amazon, and it has a little red box that says the high risk product, meaning Amazon will probably report you and kick you off of their listing. But this one doesn't. This one looks good to go. So I could sell under this one. I'm going to scroll down. This one, good to go. This one right here, no red flags. I'm not competing against Amazon. So we can check really quick what's generating sales, what's not. Then they have a big sheet right here. So I can click on this button. And then it's going to show me the profit, the product details. It's got the ASIN, the UPC, the size, the potential profit on this, the ROI. Let's say the cost of goods is $6. And I can see every time I sell it, it's doing all the calculations for me. I'm only making $9. I don't even have to probably run ads on this product because Hello Kitty, this is like showing up on the first page. So we can kind of look at that, the profit, other ASINs, source link. You can save it to a Google Sheet automatically. It's going through everything. A lot of good stuff here. It's also showing me the estimated monthly sales revenue. So can't complain with this tool. It is very powerful. Not only that, it does come with a brand analyzer tool, VPN, if you need a VPN, and integrations like that. So that's the main thing that it does. It checks to see if you're if it's risky to resell a product, if you're already approved, if you're not approved, which is great if you are a reseller. Now, Helium 10 is a different story. Helium 10, if we go, again, another link in the description if you want to check out Helium 10, but this tool is better for private label. So if you have, it's pretty much good for everybody, but if you have private label, this tool is going to be a lot better because they offer so many different reverse ASIN tools to optimize your listings. And if you don't own the listing, so this listing, maybe you can resell on it, but if you don't own the listing, you don't own Hello Kitty, you usually can't optimize the title, you can't optimize the photos. With that in mind, Helium 10 is more for private labels if you actually own the brand, if you own the brand name. They've got so many tools compared to Seller App, right? But they don't have the same tools as Seller App. They don't have that special ungating tool that you saw. They don't offer a VPN. They don't have a lock and unlock. But what they do is they show you who's selling the product. So you can see the 30-day sales data. So it shows you the sales data right here. And you can see, okay, who's selling it. You can see if it's from China. So this is a Chinese competitor that's selling it, which means they're probably doing a loophole. It's probably fake, just a heads up. You can see if someone from the US, if it's just Amazon, it means the main seller is Amazon. Here's somebody from the US selling it, and we can see their sales data. Not only that, we can see the keywords they're ranking for. So again, if we copy this ASIN, let's say we want to sell something that's similar to Hello Kitty, right? Or if we own the brand name, we can go to Tools, Cerebro, we can plug it in, and we can see every single keyword it's showing up for on Amazon. So if we click Get Keywords, we're going to wait for that to load. And we can see it's showing up 11,000 times on Amazon. So it's showing up for Valentine Bear, Bear Valentine, plush toy, plush kitty, Valentine's Day stuffed animal, Hello Kitty items. And we can export this data and actually look and see, is it showing up on page 1, page 2, page 3? Is it showing up on page number 1, page 1, number 2? We can also see if it's running Amazon ads, and you can see right here it is running Amazon ads. It says paid, and we can see what keywords it's running for Amazon ads. So we can retarget those same keywords, put those keywords in our title, our bullet points. It's going to help us rank and improve. Great for private label products. Also, Amazon product research. It can help us with black box, find a special product. Product Launchpad uses AI. This is one of the only tools that offers AI. Cerebro, Magnet, Helium 10 ads. So it has AI to help you monitor your ads. Keyword processor, making sure you're not you don't have duplicates in your bullet points. So let's say this is our game. Let's see our title. So what we can do is add any phrases. So let's say we want to add campfire. We can see, do we already have campfire in our keyword list? And you can see, campfire is showing up right here. And you can also check for duplicates. With Frankenstein, we can remove duplicate keywords. We can also check our profits, follow-up, listing builder. They've got training, analytics. You can check your profit on Amazon. It also has Walmart tools. So a lot more to offer with Helium 10. But at the end of the day, Seller Assistant app is better for resellers. It's an excellent tool for resellers. Helium 10 is great for private label. If you're using private label, you have your own trademark, Helium 10 is the way to go. So it really depends on what type of seller you are that works best for you. But that's it for today's video. Have you used either of these tools before? Share your experience in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need any help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our #1 services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is what will fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, implementing these tools, customer service, advertising, increasing your sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end or optimizing your listings or finding a new product to launch. We'll do it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP, and I'm signing out.